Okay, so question 4. So again, arguments. We want the what, the why, and the how. Okay, so this is an example of one comparison. Okay. So in source A, the writer describes the dangers of cycling in the city in order to raise awareness about the situation faced by many cyclists. Okay, what, why? So here's what they're doing. Dangers. Here's the why. He uses the metaphor roll of the dice to emphasize the levels of luck involved with cycling on the streets and how it feels like cyclists are gambling with their lives. He also uses the adjectives terrifying and alarming to emphasize the trauma and fear created by these events and the pressure cyclists face every time they ride their bikes. This is created by both the risks and injuries caused by drivers. However, in source B, the writer describes the dangers of cycling in the city in order to show the excitement and thrill it gives her. So notice, I've got the same what. The what is the same, but the why is different. The first one is it's bad, it's dangerous. The second one is it's exciting and thrilling. Okay, that will get me a perceptive. So difference about similarity. She uses the metaphor stormy oceans, to describe the streets and emphasize the epic challenge that faces her. This creates the image of an explorer or an adventurer battling the elements and overcoming the odds. She also uses the metaphor burning, so notice I repeated what I said in question 3, to describe her overwhelming desire to ride on the streets and emphasize the excitement she feels at this new adventure. This creates an image of her contained desire consuming her and needing release. Okay. Now what I would then do is I would then do that again. So I would begin by going, furthermore, in source A, and I would give a second thing he argues. Now what I'd probably go for with this is he actually says that cycling isn't actually that dangerous. The statistics show that cycling is quite safe, and he's encouraging more people to cycle, but also for road users to be kinder towards cyclists. Okay. Then I go back to source B and I give something else that she says. She says it's exciting, and she describes in more detail the way that people abuse her on her bike, and she kind of makes a joke of it. So hers is much more jokey. And what you'll find is when you're doing this well, the whats are very similar. The why is the thing that differs. If you do it one time through like this, you'll most likely get clear. If you can do it twice and show two perspectives, then you'll move into being perceptive.